Welcome. Let's talk automation. Because, frankly, doing things manually is so last century. Ansible simplifies IT tasks, and YAML makes it easy to write. If you've ever struggled with complex configurations, YAML is your new best friend. By the end, you'll be fluent in Ansible and YAML. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Imagine a world where servers configure themselves. Ansible is that magical tool. It automates tedious tasks, saving time and headaches. No extra agents, no hassle, just SSH magic. Whether it's cloud or networking, Ansible plays well with everything. If you've ever been frustrated with JSON curly braces, YAML is here to save the day. It's clean, simple, and uses indentation instead of brackets, so no more syntax nightmares. Ansible understands YAML like a good friend, making automation seamless. YAML is like the simple recipe for automation. Easy ingredients, no unnecessary complications. You don't need a PhD to understand it, just some good indentation. Ansible loves YAML because it makes playbooks elegant and readable. Ever felt like your YAML playbook needed a buddy? That's where Import Playbook comes in. Think of it as handing off the baton in a relay race. Except the race is automation. Just make sure the file paths are spot on, or you'll be debugging at 2 a.m. Passing variables between playbooks keeps things dynamic, and tags, they're your secret weapon for executing only what's needed. Let's keep the YAML party going. Setting up hosts is like choosing your guest list. Who's invited to your automation party? And vars, they're your party supplies, always handy and reusable. Organizing hosts in groups means less chaos, more control, and overriding variables mid-playbook. That's like switching playlists when the vibe changes. Let's make YAML work smarter, not harder. YAML isn't a horror story, but bad indentation can make it one. Keep things neat, and your future self will thank you. Logical grouping avoids playbook chaos, and separating variables means fewer headaches down the line. Comments, they're like little breadcrumbs leading you back when things go south. Keep YAML tidy, and it will treat you well. YAML mistakes, everyone makes them. Indentation errors can make you question your life choices. And module names, get them wrong, and Ansible just shrugs. Undefined variables can ruin your automation dreams. And misconfigured hosts, well, let's just say your playbook might be sending commands into the void. Stay sharp, and YAML will play nice. Debugging YAML is an art form, like detective work, but with more curly braces. Start with syntax check to weed out obvious issues. The debug module, think of it as shining a flashlight into the dark corners of your playbook. Verbose mode gives you the full story, and permissions, well, you don't want your playbook getting stuck because it wasn't allowed to run. Debug smart, automate better. YAML isn't just theory. It's practical magic. Automating server setups, that's saving hours of manual work. Application deployment, smooth as butter. Infrastructure as code means everything is repeatable, scalable, and documented. And orchestrating workflows, that's where YAML truly shines. Welcome to the real-world power of YAML in Ansible. Congrats, you've mastered YAML fundamentals. But guess what? There's always more to explore. Dive into advanced Ansible tricks, experiment with automation scenarios, and don't be shy. Join the Ansible community. Collaboration is the secret ingredient to mastering YAML. Now, go automate like a pro. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.